subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new entry-level smartphone called Lava X3 2022 edition. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The new Lava X3 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone supports an AI-featured dual-camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 8-megapixel main camera along with a VGA sensor. Under the hood, the Lava X3 comes powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 under Go edition, and it is equipped by a large 4000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.8 by 9.2 mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava X3 has been priced at 6,999 Indian rupees, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in charcoal black, blue, and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Lava X3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.